Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Pytest Fixtures Part 3. Next one is Module Scoped Fixture. To make this fixture to Module Scoped Fixture, we just have to specify module here. So now this fixture is Module Scoped Fixture. So we know that module fixture will execute for each Python file. So this is one of the Python file. And if we have another Python file for that module also, this fixture will get repeated. So this is going to shared fixture. So shared fixtures, we are not going to keep it in the Python, in our test Python file. So we have to specify all the shared fixtures into a common file called conftest.py file. So I am going to copy paste this picture into the conftest.py file. So first we will create the conftest.py file. So here we are going to copy this code because we are going to make this picture as a shared picture. So now we need to add the import statement also. Copy this, paste it here. So now this is the module scoped fixture and it is going to execute for each test Python file. So it's nothing but it's a module. And now let's create two test Python file and add two test functions in each Python file so that we can see the execution. I'm going to copy this file again and paste it here. So first one I will name it as test program 1 and the second one I'll make it test first program 2. Okay, so I'll go to the first program and I'm going to remove these classes. So here we are going to keep two test functions. So let's say this is one executed. So here we will say file 1. Okay. Same way, I'll change the second Python file also. I'll remove these two lines. So this is file 2. This is from file 2. We defined two Python files, and in the conf test, we have defined the module scoped fixture. So let me run this test case. I'm executing all test cases. So if you see the execution sequence, first it is called sample data executed, so which is from conf test, okay, module level. So for the first module, for the first program, see first Python file, it is executed. If you see here, see sample data executed, and after that test first program 1 executed from file 1. See, both are from file 1. Same way, when it execute the second Python file, that time also the sample data executed will call once, and after that the test method level print statement is executed. This is how the module scoped fixture will work. Last one is session scoped fixture. So we know that session scoped fixture will execute at the beginning before executing all the test cases. first this fixture will get executed, then only all the other test cases will start executing. So for that, I'm going to keep this module fixture uh, as it is, and I'm going to add one more fixture for session scoped fixture. So here I'll just specify session. Instead of module, we have to specify session. I'll just say this is module scoped. Same way here, I'll say session scoped. To fixture executed. Session scope to fixture executed. So module scope. Okay, so we have defined two fixture. One is module and another one is session. Okay. So now if we execute this test case, this session scoped fixture will execute only once, and this module scoped fixture will execute for each Python file. We have to specify the unique name for each fixture. So for that, I'm just keeping 1 and 2 for the two fixtures. So the same, these fixtures should be passed in the test files as well. So I'm going to pass like this. So two fixtures I'll be passing now. One is session fixture and the other one is module fixture. So both I am passing as a parameter. So in the second file also we have to specify the same. Now let's execute this test case. See, now if you see, session scoped fixture is called only once, and the module scoped fixture will be executed twice because we have two Python files. That's the reason twice it is executed. See here, print statement is printed. See, once it is printed. This is how the session scoped fixture will get executed. So it will execute at the beginning, even though if we call multiple time, it is going to execute only once only. All the test function we have passed the session scoped fixture name, but it is called only once. Next fixture is Autouse fixture. So this fixture will get applied automatically. No need to request this fixture explicitly or pass as a parameter. Fixture can have any scope, but this will automatically executed based on the scope. If you see the below example, here we have specified Autouse equal to true. So this is going to be a default fixture. It will be automatically called for each function. Let me show you one example in VS Code. So here, these two are the fixtures. So here in the module fixture, I am going to add this Autouse equal to true. Same code, we can copy paste for the session scoped also. I converted both this fixture to Autouse fixture. So now we can remove the parameters. So automatically the fixture will be applied for all the test functions. So here also I'll remove. So now we haven't passed any parameters in second file as well as in the first file also. Now I am going to execute this test case. Like it is executed in the previous way, it will execute again. Even though the parameters are not specified, it is going to execute as it is. See, session scoped fixture is called, module scoped fixture is called twice, and other print statement also executed. So this is how the Autouse fixture will get executed. Here I am stopping this video. You can watch the continuation in Pytest Fixtures Part 4. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.